Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, compass, front bucket seats. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.